In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Squarespace website multilingual. By the end, you'll have language options enabled, translations configured, and a language switcher added to your site's header so visitors can easily toggle between languages. Start by signing in to your Squarespace account and heading to your account dashboard. From there, open your site from the dashboard view and choose Go to Website to enter the site's backend. Once you're in, open the website panel, then head straight into Settings. This is where Squarespace keeps all your site-wide controls, including language and region options. Inside Settings, locate Site Languages. This area controls the languages your site offers and how they're presented. Open Site Languages and select the Multilingual option. Turning this on tells Squarespace that your site will serve content in more than one language. It also unlocks tools you'll use to manage and edit translations. Next, you'll see a section for Weglot. Squarespace integrates with Weglot to handle translations smoothly. Open the Weglot account area so you can view or confirm the connection that powers translation management. You don't have to change anything here right now. Just be aware that this is where your translation engine is coordinated. Now go back to Languages within the Site Languages panel. Open your default language first. Here it's English, so you can confirm that it's set correctly as your primary language. Then select Francais to add or configure French as an additional language. This ensures that both English and French are active options on your site. If you're planning to support more languages later, the same process applies. Confirm your default, then add each new language you plan to offer. With languages set, open Edit Translations. This takes you into the translation editor so you can review and refine how your content appears in each language. Even if automated translations are available, it's a good idea to scan important pages, headings, navigation labels, and calls to action to make sure the tone and terminology fit your brand. Consistency matters here. Confirm things like product names or location-specific terms are translated the way you want. Back in the Site Languages area, open Multilingual Customer Notifications. This is where you enable and tailor automated emails and transactional messages, such as order confirmations or form response emails for each language. Make sure you're comfortable with how these messages read. It's a small step that makes a big difference in user experience. Hit Save to lock in your multilingual settings, then close the panel. With the language framework in place, it's time to add a way for visitors to switch languages on your live site. Return to the website view and click Edit to enter the site editor. Hover over your header and choose Edit Site Header. In the header controls, select Add Elements and look for the language switch option. Add it to your header so it appears where visitors expect it, typically alongside your navigation. The header is ideal because it stays visible as people move around your site, and it keeps the language chooser consistent across pages. Once the language switcher is added, click Save to apply the change, then exit the editor to get back to the main view of your site. Now test the experience just like a visitor would. Click English to view the default language, then switch to Francais to confirm that your pages, navigation, and key messages appear in French. Switch back to English again to ensure the toggle is working smoothly in both directions. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't immediately see translations on a page, refresh or revisit the Edit Translations area to confirm content is covered. For system emails and notifications, always double-check both languages so nothing slips through in the wrong language. Finally, consider your header layout so the language switcher feels natural and doesn't crowd your navigation. That's it. Your Squarespace site is now multilingual with languages enabled, translations editable, and a clear switcher in the header for visitors.